Play! Play, play! PlayBuds! Good morning, everyone! It's a beautiful day! Yay! Let's have an adventure! Wow! A tiny tractor! It's perfect for us! Let's become little farmers! We're going farming! This is so exciting! Yay! Yay! Our garden is waiting for us! Let's grow the best vegetables ever! I'm so excited to start farming! We'll work together! Let's go, little farmers! Let's make perfect rows! We're doing great! Teamwork! Plant them carefully. Soon they'll grow. Let's water them next. Drink up, little seeds. Grow nice and strong. Grow, grow, grow! Look! They're growing! Our garden is alive! Hooray! Yay! Everything looks beautiful! Our hard work paid off. Keep growing! Fresh carrots! They're perfect! Let's keep harvesting! These tomatoes are beautiful! Fill the baskets! Great job! Yeah! Sweet corn is ready! Ready! Our baskets are filling up! Awesome! These strawberries smell so sweet! Our farm is amazing! Let's harvest the rest together! Look at our wonderful harvest! Everything is fresh and beautiful. Let's pack it carefully. Great teamwork! The trailer is almost full. Let's keep everything neat. We're ready to go! Off to the farm stand! Our farm stand looks amazing! Everything is nice and tidy. Everyone will love it! Welcome to our farm! Fresh vegetables! Sweet strawberries! Thank you for visiting. Have a wonderful day! We did it! Our farm was a success! Let's celebrate together! Hooray! Play! Play, play! PlayBuds!